In less than 8 hours, the New Orleans mask mandate goes away. But don't toss that mask out just yet. Some places are still going to require them. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. It's a critical moment in the pandemic. That mandate ends tomorrow at 6 a.m. and the vaccine or negative test requirement could be lifted by March 21st. But you should still keep that vaccine card handy and keep a mask around too, because some places still want you to mask up. Devin Bartolotta explains.
Just in time for Lent, New Orleans is giving up its mask mandate, lifting the mandate that was put back in place for carnival season but largely unenforced Mardi Gras Day.
Our entire city has worked very hard to get here, and our long-standing mitigation measures, despite frequent large events, so far seem to be holding.
New Orleans is one of the last cities in the country to lift its mask mandate. You'll have to keep one on, though, for all public transportation and in healthcare facilities. But what do you, the residents who will stay here long after Fat Tuesday, think of the city's announcement? We set up outside and we asked.
I think they should wait at least a week, so we can figure out if it's going to come back or not.
I don't find comfort in wearing this. What I find comfort in is knowing that because I am wearing this, you will not get my germs, you will not get my germs.
I think that it should have stayed on longer because, with everybody traveling for Mardi Gras, I believe that could have got a spike.
New Orleanians jumped in with their thoughts online, too. Some tweeted, quote, maybe we're jumping the gun a little bit. Another said, not even going to wait and see how the numbers look post Mardi Gras. Others say it's time. One person tweeted, hallelujah. Mandating anything this long is tough on everyone. Dr. Jennifer Avegno says New Orleans is low risk based on the CDC's new guidelines and could drop the vaccine requirement in a few weeks if COVID numbers stay stable.
It would be foolish to think we're not going to see an increase in cases after all of the events in the past few weeks. So it remains important to limit those who may be actively infectious and not protected from vaccinations from spreading the virus further.
In New Orleans, Devin Bartolotta, Eyewitness News.
Dr. Avegno also says to remember schools can decide on their own whether to require masks, and she encourages them to keep those mandates in place, which is what the CDC recommends.